So I truly believe we can solve most of our problems through dialogue. So when I decided to join TISPA, I was really thinking that we should increase communication between parents and the school.
我希望通过我的努力，让建立起这个学校就是跟家庭的一个良好的沟通，让大家在一个充满包容协作的环境下互动，然后使我们的孩子得到一个爱和关怀。
That's one of the reasons why I joined the TISPA, because I actually want to know what kind of environment that he's growing up with. At the same time, I want to be like part of the community. We just want him to be having fun, learn a lot of things, and putting a path that is safe in a really good environment.
What I'm looking for is more parents to join us because, I'm making real friendships. We get together very frequently to discuss ideas, events.
Activities that is very important to build that sense of community. We are going to have also a lot of fun during this year.